This video will demonstrate creating a practice test, a test that can be taken by anyone and retaken an unlimited number of times. Firstly, navigate to the Tests panel and click New Test. When appearing in the test wizard, you can begin by entering the name of your test, its description, and some instructions for the candidates. On the second step of the test wizard, you should set the duration type as unlimited. This way, the candidate can answer the questions at their own pace instead of being restricted by a time frame. Additionally, you can add a certificate, add question pools, choose a grading method, and review the test once you're finished. If all of this satisfies your liking, please click on the Finish Wizard button. After this, you can schedule the test. In the Testing Sessions panel, click the New Testing Session button and fill out all the necessary information. Click on the Candidate Self-Enrollment button to enable self-enrollment. This way, everyone and anyone can take this test. Although the availability period cannot be unlimited, you can set it to expire in the far future.